Hello, my name is Ari Leibowitz, and my Big Green Idea is a power-saving light controlling system. In a traditional room, lights are controlled individually, so when the occupant leaves a room with 3 to 4 lights on for 2 minutes to an hour, all lights remain on. This electricity is pure waste, as the room is currently not occupied, yet the occupant will usually not make the effort to walk all around the room to shut all the lights off. A simple way to counter this is to purchase and install a light control system. However, most systems still require you to push a button or a touch interface to turn the lights off, which is more convenient than walking all around a room, yet still slightly inconvenient. These systems are also pricey, ranging from tens to hundreds to thousands of dollars, and are not customizable. They only work with the parts that are manufactured for the system. My Big Green Idea involves making a completely new system built from the ground up. This system is customizable, affordable, and incredibly easy to install and build. This new system will allow a computer-controlled system to turn lights on and off automatically based on if the occupant is present or not. In my example, a motion sensor is placed by the door, and when triggered by simply passing it, all the lights turn off. The first and most important tool in building this system is my computer, which only runs thanks to all of the PNY technology inside of it. The computer sends commands to a much smaller and simpler computer called an Arduino. The Arduino, as described on the device's official website, www.arduino.cc, is an open-source electronics prototyping platform based on flexible, easy-to-use hardware and software. The actual device that connects and disconnects the power to the lights is called a relay. The relay uses the low voltage of the Arduino to control whether a separate higher voltage circuit is connected or disconnected. To control most lights which connect to wall sockets, I simply cut open a short extension cable and inserted a relay. However, for the higher current main lights in my room, I had to open the light switch and piggyback a large Potter and Brumsfeld 30 amp relay. Piggybacking allowed me to control the lights from the Arduino as well as from the regular light switch. After making the 4 wall socket light controllers and inserting a relay into the wall switch, I connected all the relays to the Arduino by running wires across the room, which in future revisions can be replaced by low-cost wireless transmitters and receivers. Here is a simple demo and proof of concept which cycles through each of the 5 lights in my room. The demo turns on each light one at a time for 1 second each. Using the computer, one could program the Arduino to control the lights using an infinite number of ways. In my example, I just put a motion sensor by my door to pick up motion when entering and leaving, but this could be expanded to control the lights in different parts of my room based on where I am. Another idea is to have a light sensor outside, and based on a predetermined threshold, the room lights will turn on when the outside light is insufficient enough to allow you to see inside. Other sensors that could control your lights automatically could include a heat sensor, humidity sensor, GPS, piezo or a sound sensor for clapping or talking commands, or just a remote. For remote control, the lights also have a large number of ways to be controlled. The ideas range from using a touch interface on your touchscreen iPod to using a Nintendo Wiimote to just texting which lights to turn on, or even using a Bluetooth headset to verbally say which lights to turn on or off. The idea is to just use everyday items already purchased as to save money. For example, an iPod, a Wiimote, or headset. All are likely to already be purchased. My name is Ari Leibowitz, and thank you for looking at my Big Green Idea.